Hi guys, I'm going to redo the redesign because I didn't like the old one, so I'm gonna redesign it with my drawing. But first, I'm gonna show the name. Show the name I mean. Now, the body. I won't show the face yet, because it would be too early. Let me show that better first. Okay, now I do it. Okay, 1, 2. My dad is watching me. Wait, let me unmute.